I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
Ang babasahin mo, sabi ko brief nga lang po ba?
Baka may dala siyang brief.
Anong kulay?
Puti.
Again, good evening everyone. It's a heartfelt welcome to this tremendous occasion, the Batch 84 40th Anniversary Reunion. It fills me with immense joy and nostalgia to stand before you today, surrounded by familiar faces and cherished memories. We gather here to celebrate the bond that time and distance have not diminished the bond of friendship and shared experiences that shape our lives. It's been 2 years since we were elected as officers and board of directors of our batch. Although there were challenges, it was worth it. We have enjoyed and developed new friendship and was able to sustain an active batch through different activities. I just want to thank you for all your support, and once again, welcome, and let's enjoy this wonderful time together. Thank you very much.
Nung dumating ang ating panalangin ay hindi na may tubig. Ang pagpasang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang pagkakit mong sakali man ay mawawala. At ngayon, nandiyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di paasahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. At ngayon, nandiyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di aasahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. At ngayon, nandito na, palaging hawakan iyong mga kamay.
Di ka na mag-iisa.